The fridge. You know, that cold, dark place in your kitchen. We're not talking about the shiny new stuff up front. No, we're going all the way to the back, where the leftovers hang out. Think about it. They were once the stars of a meal, fresh out of the oven or off the stove. And now, they're pushed back behind the milk carton and the half-empty mayo jar. Out of sight, out of mind, right? And there they sit, waiting, hoping for a second chance. But wait. Let's calculate the odds here. Are they really the tragic heroes we're making them out to be? Pause. Rewind. Maybe it's not so dire. Leftovers, they're not forgotten. They're like time capsules of deliciousness, waiting for the perfect moment to shine again. Well, when you're hungry but too lazy to cook. Bingo. So, yeah, it's a story of redemption. I take it back. Leftovers aren't the overlooked meals. They're the unsung heroes waiting for their moment.